All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are super late, so I'm going to make this video as quick as possible. We had some rally breakouts today. I just want to show you how that looked here on the algo chart, so I won't be taking any requests today. Tomorrow's Take Back Friday, as you know, and we'll see how things move. This is the S&P 500 stopping short today right at the top of the Kumo cloud resistance area. Nothing has changed on the chart. The bears are still in control, meaning that rallies are still going to be suspect to be sold. We'll see what happens on tomorrow. Taking a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you can see here it's out of the Kumo cloud now, but the bears still have this thing on lock. So rallies here are still threatening to be sold as well. Taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has broken out and rallied like Bitcoin, but look, it stopped short right at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, just like the stock indices did. So we got a rally alert for tomorrow, though. Let's see if Take Back Friday can produce a little something. Looking at the euro currency, you can see here the market also broke out and rallied today. This is the FXE, the euro currency ETF. Taking a look at Bitcoin by way of GBTC, and you'll see it broke out and rallied to above the Kumo cloud, but it sold off and crashed into the close right there on top of the top of the Kumo cloud. Looking at gold miners today, got a boost off of gold, but not that much. I mean, it didn't stretch out too far from yesterday's range, but still bullish. Nevertheless, we hit a new weekly high today in GDXJ. Looking at gold and by way of GLD, you can see it broke out and rallied today as well, hitting a new weekly high, breaking $1,900 today on the futures. The Russell at ticker IWM also rallied into the close and broke outside of the Kumo cloud, but we still haven't changed the complexion. The bears are still in control, meaning that rallies are still in danger of being sold. Looking at Litecoin today, you can see LTCN, ETF for Litecoin, rallied sharply today and had a pretty decent close as well, looking for continuation going into next week. As far as oil is concerned, OIH hit a new weekly high today. Finally got a nice breakout on some really good strength. So looking to have a continuation going into next week. And yes, we have a new 52-week high today in OIH, which is the crude oil ETF that follows the crude oil futures. The NASDAQ 100 today also rallied, but stopped short of touching the top of the Kumo cloud. So it's still in a bullish configuration, but that doesn't show the kind of strength we would have expected out of the NASDAQ because it's been the weakest of the stock indices. Looking now at the S&P 500 by way of SPY, you can see here that it broke outside of the Kumo cloud, but just barely. Again, the complexion of the market hasn't changed. The bears still have control, meaning this thing could still spill over. Taking a look now at bonds by way of TLT, and you'll see here that this market rallied sharply today as well, but the complexion of the market has not changed, meaning that rallies are in danger of being sold here too. And last but not least, here's your US dollar index. It actually hit a new leg down today, selling off on the index exchange. It dropped into the 102 handle. I did warn you about that in the last two videos that we looked at, and sure enough, this is exactly what we got. Bears are still in control of this market as well. Hopefully everyone had a great trading week. Here at the end of the week, the market finally gave up some opportunities to get long in some of these markets. Hopefully you all did that and were able to take advantage of that situation. So hopefully you'll be able to carry this momentum with you into next week, as I do believe that the markets are ripe and ready to have a continuation rally into next week. The big issue, though, the big issue is going to be, can they pull it off? Tomorrow's market is going to be very important. Will we have continuation, or will there be something else? So with that being said, remember, the system works if you work the system. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.